The 7-in-1 weather station thermometer accurately reads and displays outdoor temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, rainfall, barometric pressure, UV index, as well as indoor temperature and humidity. All the data will be transmitted to display console. Your indoor console will automatically search for and connect to your weather station within a few minutes. Now connect your device of computer or smartphone to the weather station Wi-Fi and go to the Wi-Fi setting page of 192.168.5.1. Here you need to enter your home network's Wi-Fi account and password. You will also be able to come back here once you're registered with Weather Underground or Weather Cloud Station and receive the ID and key. Create an account and sign up for either of these two weather services is free and easy. You will also be able to view and track your own data, which will seamlessly update into your account. You can view the current data of temperature, humidity, pressure, dew points, and the wind data of speed, wind chill, and direction, and the indoor temperature, humidity, dew point, heat index, and the curve chart and bar graph of historic data and information on a certain date. You can also easily find the maximum, average, and minimum value. You can even download the data reports for a period of time. The reports are available in PDF or HTML version.